Hello, it's Danielle Harvey here with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I am going to show you guys around Grand Vue, which is a new townhome and condo community built by Century here in Broomfield, Colorado. It is right in the Interlocken business park, and it's right next to the small private Broomfield airport with quick access to US 36, which gets you really close into Boulder, or can take you right out to I-25 to head north to Fort Collins or south to Denver. So I'm going to show you around today. We're going to look at 2 townhomes that are ready to be seen. The condos are not yet ready to be seen, but will be shortly.